Hello, everyone, and welcome to Acculeads. We are one of the only leading marketing data platforms that includes automated descriptive and predictive data and analytics. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to run a snapshot descriptive profile, which is a powerful tool to statistically profile your best customers and uncover lookalike prospects based on data-driven insights. So first, you're going to start on the home page, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the Data Analytics tab. So that is this one right here. It shows you the AccuModel Snapshot Descriptive Profile. It gives you some a little bio on it. Going to select Start Search. And this will give you an overview on how it works. First, you run the profile, then you run your count from the profile that you get, and then you order your count. After looking over this, you can select Next. And then you can select which database you would like to choose from. We can do a database or a business one or a consumer one with compact or epsilon. We're just going to go with our compact file and then select Next. For this is where we upload our consumer file or our data file. We have a video on how to upload a suppression file, which may give a little insight on this. And we also have a resource that teaches you how to clean a file before it should be uploaded. But gives you some data right here on how you should be formatting your address column. And then here are some notes on what the file should be before it's uploaded. If your file has headers, make sure to check that off. And then let's upload. And for this, since this is a consumer file, you have to make sure that you have the name, first name and last name, address, city, state, and zip code. For a business file, you would want the company name, address, city, state, zip code, and the phone number is optional. But we're going to have the compact consumer, so we just want the names on there. Upload. Got to make sure it's uploaded before we select Next. And then just double check over here that everything looks fine. And then also make sure to check the quantity that it lines up with what the original file says. And then select Next. Your file uploads. It'll map it out for you. On this file, we don't have the full name mapped out, so we're just going to select Not Mapped, first, last, address, city, state, zip. Those are all on there, and as you can see, please map all required fields and click here to view a sample of the mapping, and that will show it right there. Once that all looks good, you can select Next. And then this is where you would place your order. You can name the service, put a PO, personalize your snapshot, and then make sure you check that off before you place the order. It kind of gives you an overview more over here, first name, last name, and then it has the zip universe right there, which this means it's only going to be focusing on these zip codes. We're not going to place the order, but I do have an example snapshot to show you what it will look like, what the profile will look like once you get it. This is a consumer snapshot sample. We also have a business sample. We have that on our Deep Sync Help Center for you to check out as well, or you can reach out to your rep to get the sample. So I'll just look through quick, kind of gives you the overall summary of what's in here, gives you the overall summary of your profile, records input, matches and match rate, and then the primary data attributes. And then it goes through each one of those attributes, customer percentage and prospect percentage. It likes to line up with that. It has these selects on here automatically. It'll automatically output all of these. These are the lifestyle dimension definitions that it shows your prospect or your current data file encompasses all of these. And then it says take the next step. This is when you would use this order to run a count. And so with this data, you can run a count targeting it by zip code or whatever geography you want. And then you can also select more consumer demographics, and then it will only choose people. The system will only choose records that reflect best with the data file that you supplied, which would usually be your most loyal customers. So, yep, Acculeads is here to help you target your most precise prospect data and find you your next future customers. Check out our other videos on here. For more guidance and support, visit us anytime at Acculeads.com.